So welcome to Disney's Boardwalk. You'll find this right next door to the Swan and Dolphin Resort. Right behind us is the Yacht and Beach Club Resort of the DVC portion. But we're gonna go check out and see what type of restaurants are available here at the Boardwalk. Let's go. And right at the entrance, you'll find dueling pianos. And I believe this is used more for gatherings, and it looks like maybe a wedding recently happened here. Congratulations to Rebecca and Robert here at the Atlantic Dance. And this is Jelly Rolls. And it seems pretty light right now as far as foot traffic. Not a lot happens this time of the afternoon. It's nearing 1 p.m. But we're here, as you can see up above, you'll find the hotel rooms, and down below are the restaurants. And of course, this resort having a lot of ties with the Disney Vacation Club, the DVC, you'll find a lot of these kiosks promoting the program. But over here you'll find Big River Grill and Brewing Works. And next you'll find on the Boardwalk Thimbles and Threads, which is just a general store where you'll find all of your Disney merchandise, clothing, souvenirs, pretty much the standard. And these are all attached, so you'll see the screen door general store attached to this as well. And it appears some of these exteriors being refurbished currently, but you'll find these Surrey bikes that you can rent. And this is where you'll find the friendship boats to take you to the various portions of the resort, the Yacht Club, Swan and Dolphin, Hollywood Studios, and Epcot.
$1 for donuts.
One of the more popular restaurants straight ahead, Flying Fish. More popular in the evening, of course. Off in the distance, you'll find the Beach Club and Yacht Club resorts. And next, you'll find the Abracadabra Bar. Right next to the Trattoria Forno. And over here, you'll find Neapolitan style pizza, which means it goes in the oven real fast and comes out hot and delicious. And to give you an idea, a slice runs about $9, a super slice about $10, and they sell beers and mini cannolis and garden salads as well. A very quick and go type of grab and go eatery. Boardwalk Joe's for margaritas. And the deli fountain. Next to the famous Boardwalk ice cream, where you can get your giant, kitchen sink ice cream sundae. And that's currently being refurbished into the cake bake shop, coming soon. Hey, so I'm LJ with today's quick adventure stop over here at Disney's Boardwalk for a quick resort tour. Nothing in the water. If you like today's video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome, do me a favor and subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next adventure.